Welcome back to We Dared Chemistry. In this lecture, we will spend our brain studying about Robert Andrews Millikan's oil drop experiment, which helped us to find out about the amount of charge present on the electron. So join us whether you are a student or a curious mind. In 1897, J.J. Thomson discovered that atoms have electron and they have negative charge. But it was not possible to extract out an electron from atom to check its charge's amount, so Robert Andrews Millikan did an experiment. In 1913, Robert Andrews Millikan and Harvey Fletcher did an oil drop experiment from which they found the value electron charge was charge is equal to 1.59 x 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulomb, and currently the value is 1.602 x 10 raised to the power minus 19. This shows their accuracy, so let us observe their experiment. Experiment setup. Firstly, he had a cylindrical container in which he had two metal plates. Top on had a hole in it. Then we have an oil dispenser or sprayer, which will spray the droplets. Then we have a microscope to examine them. Also, an electromagnetic ray provider to ionize the droplet. Experiment, we would connect those plates with a voltage or battery and provide them charge. When droplet come inside the plates, it will be experiencing force of gravity and electric force both in opposite direction, but which will win? If the voltage is high, electric force will win. If the voltage is low, gravity will win. But to balance the force, we will have to mange the voltage so that the drop could float. They did this with different drops having different masses at different voltages. When the drop is balanced, gravity force equal sign electric force, where gravit force depends on mass and electric force depends on voltage and charge. So they performed this with different drops and came up with some values, for example, plus 160 plus 320 plus 480 plus 640, all measured in zeptocoulombs. They noticed that every number are multiple of 160, so these drops are losing charge in multiple of 160, so each electron should have 160 zeptocoulombs. So this showed that how one electron has charge of 1.60 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulomb. This was the oil drop experiment. Thank you. Keep studying with We Dared Chemistry.